Today's question is about promoting applications to production. How would we ensure that the change only deploys to lower environments and not production before it should? I have two answers to that question. One being relatively easy to implement and probably something that many of you are already doing, and the other slightly more complex, less intuitive, yet still relatively easy. One option is to use GitOps. If you do, we can remove the option to push changes directly to the main line of the GitOps directory, thus forcing everyone, be it humans or machines, to create pull requests. If you do that, we can have automated or manual reviews of changes to those PRs. One of the rules can be to allow merging of changes that would result in new releases being deployed to production only if those same releases have been already deployed somewhere else and hopefully tested elsewhere. The problem with that option is that someone needs to review such pull requests and confirm that a release has been deployed and tested elsewhere before approving their merge to the mainline. Here's a better way to prevent deployments to production of releases that haven't been deployed and tested in pre-production environments. We can create policies that validate that only signed images are deployed. Now, that might not sound like a solution. We primarily sign images to be able to validate that they are untempered. Most of us use image signing to ensure that the image used is the image that was built and not modified by anyone or anything. The truth is that images can have multiple signatures. We could also sign them as a way to, for example, confirm that they have been tested. Once we are done with testing, being automated or manual, we can attest that's what happened by signing them. From there on, we could have policies that allow deployments only of images that were signed with the same public key. If such policies are inside the Kubernetes cluster, like for example Kyverno or OPA Gatekeeper, it would not matter whether Argo CD tries to deploy them or if someone tries to execute kubectl apply or through any other means. Kyverno and OPA Gatekeeper and other similar policy engines are based on Kubernetes Admission Controllers, meaning that Kubernetes API would reject any manifests containing references to unsigned images. All in all, sign images when a release is ready for production and implement Kubernetes Admission Controller policies that prevent deployment of images that are not signed. That way, anyone trying to deploy a release before it is ready for production will fail to do so. Thank you for asking the question, and please let me know whether my answer helped. To anyone else, please post your questions in comments and consider joining the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers.